I just finished this vintage Reuge double singing bird cage. Amazing birds. Those are the original feathers, highly colorful. This has and this is a factory finish from Reuge. It's an antique bronze finish, and so that is intentional. I fully serviced the bird cage, so it works exactly as it should. Let's start off with the pause feature. All singing bird cages have 3 operating modes: off, pause, and on. The pause feature is an excellent litmus test to test the integrity of the mechanism and the bellows. Let's move this to continuous. The bird cage works perfectly. Both birds open and close their beaks, synchronize to the bird song, flap their tails, rotate their heads, and their bodies also rotate on their axis. The birds take turns singing. Really wonderful feather. I'm going to turn this off. In summary, a vintage Reuge double singing bird cage in excellent, actually outstanding, cosmetic and mechanical condition with original, highly colorful birds in an antique bronze finish, which was factory applied by Reuge. Take care.